here with Auntie Jo Sews. So today I'm going to show you some of the Bucilla stockings that I have available in my store, thepapercrafter.com. I'll link the link below in the description. But basically, I have some stockings that are available and I wanted to show them to you. It's easier than trying to show you pictures, and I can tell you a little bit about them. So the first one is Santa's List. It's got a tag on it. Absolutely adorable. Nice, tight, even stitching all the way through. Absolutely no glue or any shortcuts are ever taken. That's this one. And this is a Bucilla Santa's List. And tag is here. I do have a pet-friendly crafting area. So we are smoke-free, but I do have pets. So I do make sure that I keep everything separate and keep them off my sewing area and stuff like that. However, the dog hair could float through the air and you may have a dog hair once in a while, but hopefully not. I haven't had any go out yet. I'm very careful. I literally take a magnifying glass and go over every single part of it, flip it over, do every single part of it again to make sure there aren't any dog hairs, but I'm not perfect. So unfortunately you may get one, but I'm thinking probably not. So just wanted to make you aware that in the slight rare case that, hey, you have a dog hair, it's because I have dogs. They're adorable, but their hair not so much. Anyway, so this is the older version Bucilla Santa Down the Chimney. I believe this is a 21-inch stocking. I'd have to go measure again. But as you can see, this is Santa. Looks fabulous. He's going down the chimney. Beautiful, even stitching all the way through. I just love it. It turned out great. And that one is in my store. This one is Police Officer Santa, and cute little name tag here that you could stitch a name on. I would probably just leave it blank. It says North Pole Police Department, and here he is writing a ticket, I'm guessing, to one of the reindeer for leaving the sleigh where it shouldn't be. So here's this one. Again, no glue, no shortcuts, very nice. Even stitching, sequins turned out really good. These are all unused, unlined with the exception of one. Now these are two of the Poinsettia Santa. This one is available in my store now. And then I had a friend who basically, well, let me finish the whole deal first. This one is in my store. Again, very even, very nice stitches. Looks great as you can see, unlined. Super nice on the back, and you'll note no dog hair or anything. So, and I do, like I said, go over them very carefully before I mail them out so you don't get any. But this one was worked on by a friend of mine. I'll have to go through it's why it's not in my store yet and make sure everything's good, make sure the stitches are tight. But she didn't want to finish it, so I finished it. It's ready to rock and roll, but I'm going to do just a once over just to make sure it looks good. And I think this one she actually lines. Yeah, this one is lined. And it's really nice, really nice. But again, once I go through it, make sure everything looks good, then I'll put it in the store and make it available. Then I've got a couple that are really hard to find. Not this one. This one, there are one or two available out there. This is Woodworking Santa, also Bucilla. These are all Bucilla, by the way. And there he is in his workshop. Flipped over, looks nice. This one is not lined. Just really nice stitching there. Sequins look great. It looks fabulous. The white is nice and bright. So here's one of the more rare stockings. This is Santa Chef. I believe 2007 was when the kit came out. Absolutely phenomenal. It just looks great. Turned out really well. Looks wonderful. I'm real happy with this, the way it turned out. And you can see in there, I think I lined this one. Did I line this one? I did line this one. There we go. Let me see. God, it's been so long. Yeah. So that looks pretty good. Then this is Snowman Kisses. This is also available in the store. No shortcuts, no glue, just stitching, lots of stitching. Each one of these has about 50 hours, somewhere between 48 and 50. Ooh, a little piece of fuzzy wuzzy. Between 48 and 52 hours on average time in each stocking. This one I did not line. No, I'm lying. Did I line this one? I lined this one too. God. Oh, goodness. All right. This one is the coup de grace, I believe is how you pronounce that fancy schmancy word. Anyway, the kit is from 1979. This is called Santa Doll, and it is Bucilla, obviously, and it is just phenomenal. Now, you'll notice that it is not super white bright on the felt like the other stockings. It is, what's that, 31? 41 years old. Beautiful, gorgeous stocking. Very nice. Again, um, not bright white. Like, do I have a white? See the difference? Slight difference. It's a little less bright. This one is lined, and it's just phenomenal. And if you were to like pull the doll off, you could see that's why they call it Santa doll. So, and this one is a jumbo. Now, it was a jumbo back then. 1978, 79 was 21.5 inches. So that's how's what it measures. And again, back then that was a jumbo. Now, this one is not yet available in my store. I've got to put that up. I don't remember, and you know why? Because I cannot remember the name. It's Paul something, like Paul Gifting or something. So I'm gonna put this up tomorrow in the store, and just fantastic. This one is lined. Looks great. Anyway, I'm happy with the way that turned out. So those are all the stockings that I have. I've got to go through and fix the ones. I don't know why I listed some of these as lined and not lined. I think maybe I ran out of time on one of them and didn't line it or something. I don't know. But I will definitely make sure I fix that in my listings. Maybe I got super efficient with myself and decided I was going to line them. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. If you get a chance, take a peek at my store, thepapercrafter.com. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. Thanks so much for watching.